Welcome to Daily News Update channel. Today I am came up with another recruitment, that is Boss Recruitment 2021. Let's see what the post and the details and how to apply. The post name was Design and Development Engineering E-Machine Components. This is exclusive for BE Mechanical. Here the address in Bangalore, the company was there. They have mentioned like this address. Please note it, guys. And I will put a in description link how to apply this. Firstly, we will see about the company description. We read it and we know about some about this Bosch company. Robert Bosch Engineering and Business Solution Private Limited is a 100% owned subsidiary of Robert Bosch GmbH, one of the world's leading global supplier of technology and services, offering end-to-end engineering, IT and business solutions. With over 18,000 associates, RBEI is the largest software development center of Bosch outside Germany, indicating we are technology powerhouse of Bosch in India. We have a global printout with presence in Europe, US and Asia Pacific region. RBEI is ISO 9001:2008 certified 2012, appraised at CMMI L5 as per version 1.3 in 2011, ASPICE level 3 based on version 2.5, and ISO 15504 5 and 7, and also ISO 27001 with 7 state of the art facilities spread across Bangalore and Coimbatore in India, Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam, and Guadalajara in Mexico. ISO IEC 20001 2011 certified in 2014. And we will say about this paragraph also. We nurture, build and sustain enduring customer relations to enable direct operational and strategic benefits to our customers. We make it happen through qualified, motivated and flexible professional associates who uphold the heritage and values of Bosch, time tested over 125 years of a successful journey. A journey marked by quality, reliability and innovation of service and enhance the interest of our customers and the community we live in. Next we will see about they provide businesses in primarily in three areas for solutions. First one is the engineering services, IT services, business services. The company focal industries are automotive industries, industrial technology, consumer goods and building technology. The company role was we see RBEI as helping us to achieve the technological lead we need to have in order to prevail in increasingly competitive world markets. RBEI is about ensuring product excellence under conditions that allow us to maintain our global competitiveness. Here the chairman name is Franz Fehrenbach. Guys, I have studied because of it will help in when you go to interview or you have get a call in phone interview also. You have to know this and you have to thorough the first what company doing, what company's role and how they have manufacturing, how they, and so that I have studied, guys. You have thorough once again and apply. Here we will see the main job description was responsibility of components and assemblies from a constructive point of view. Design, guarantee of a functionality ready for production, assembly meeting timeline, meeting the target costing. And the main contact person for design and development topics internally, external supplier for the respective component or assembly. Release of the work products, materials, norms, productions and drawings, supplier management on technical level, and FMEA of assembly or product. These are the job description. Here the qualification only for one branch, that is BE mechanical only. They should apply. Here the additional information also they have given. here there are lot of points are there. I will put a in description link. I will put a how to apply this. You have to send a resume for the company and you have to give details. First we will see about this information. I will see 5 to 6 points, and please see, I will put in a description link. You have to thorough this, open this and read it, guys. Okay. The clarification of constructive and technical questions internally or internal external customer, suppliers, process development, production line, sample shop, 3D modeling and 2D modeling creation in TCE and NX, including SAP documentation and creating of assembly instruction on component. Who have done this course and who have experience in this all, please apply, guys. Good opportunity for you. Freshers also and experience also they can apply. Salary also good. And please study this, guys. And we will see job location in Bangalore. Okay, guys, hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe this channel and share to your friends also. I have given how to apply this. The apply link was given in the description link.